Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. In order to enter diagnostic mode, we'll have to press a certain button sequence, but we'll have to be fast. So what we'll do is we'll press power. When we press power, it's going to start to turn on the screen. Immediately press and hold the less time and more time. Power, just like that. Now at this point, it's going to display a couple of different things about the electronic control and the temperature sensor. One thing that I want you to watch for is a TE sign. If there's a TE sign on there, that's showing that the thermistor is open. That is a serviceable part, so make sure you keep an eye on that. Now in order to go through diagnostics, what you'll want to do is press the start button. As soon as we press it, this is just telling us that we are inside the tech mode. Now every sequence that you press after that is going to control a different portion. So let's press start. You'll see the motor will turn on. Now at this point, your display is going to show a moisture reading. You got two different readings you should show. Either right around 235, indicating that it has low moisture, or 30, indicating high moisture. Press it again. This is going to read out the current internal temperature in Celsius. If it was electric, it would be turning on the heater, and you should see it jump. Because it is gas, it is not going to energize the gas valve, so you're just going to read right around about 1920 inside of here right now. Let's press it again. The third time, this is going to energize the gas valve. You should see the temperature increasing on the display. You can check your gas components, etc. while you're running this cycle. Press it again. It's going to turn the motor off, but it's going to turn the steam heater on. The next one is just all loads off. We'll press it one more time. This is going to energize the gas valve and the motor, and this is really just for your testing purposes. Of course, you hit it one more time. It's going to shut the unit down, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.